I jokingly referred to the Zeblaze box as a VHS case. Remember those? Greetings and welcome to SmartWatch Ticks. And so indeed, the Vibe line of Zeblaze releases another VHS. Yes, inside this box is the new Vibe 5. We've seen the 3, the 2, the 4, the ECG, the PPG, all those things. And now we have the newest one in the Vibe line, the colorful Zeblaze Vibe 5. So where can you get it? Where can't you get it? It's all over the place. And I got buying links from everybody on this one. First of all, there's the official Zeblaze AliExpress store. You can pick it up from them, have a direct link here, and check the show notes for a discount price. In fact, all the prices you're seeing could be totally different by the time this video is up because they come in and out of flash sales and coupon sales. You just have to check it out. Banggood, of course Banggood's going to have the Vibe 5. They've got it on a discount right now. And you can pick it up from Gear Vita. All of these are our wonderful sponsors that send us all kinds of watches, and we're helping them out by also including them on the buyer's list for the Vibe 5. So whichever is your favorite, you can pick it up from them, including TomTop. They've got it too. So what exactly is the Vibe 5? Well, just like it says, it's an IP67 waterproof, heart rate, long battery life, color display screen, multi-sport mode, fitness tracker, smartwatch. That's a test for how long you can talk without taking a breath. It's a rugged smartwatch, they say, and you'll see it really is. These are the different languages supported. Waterproof, 1.3-inch IPS color 240 by 240 screen. Pretty good and bright, too. You'll see that. And it uses the Wear Health app. Got all these different sensors in it. Heart rate is what they call a green cell heart rate algorithm. I presume that means it's pretty accurate. They have been getting better for sure. We got standby time of 168 hours on that 180 milliamp hour battery, and charging time's about an hour and a half. And these are all the standard features you're seeing on the screen right there. Quick look at a different perspective on it. Here is the item description and overall features and specs. Kind of a repeat of what you already saw with a few other things thrown in, like its band material is a TPU. It's round. Yeah. Oh, what else? 5 atmosphere waterproof, it says, is IP67. Now, I got to admit, they've got these things all screwed up. You know, IP67 is really just splash proof. You can dabble in the water for under a meter for a half an hour kind of thing. 5 atmosphere, that's way down there. You could go 30 feet down or more. So I'm not sure, but be gentle with it until you know for sure. I wouldn't take it diving, I'll put it that way. But it sounds like you could go swimming with it. Okay, here's the rest of the specs, and now you've got your dimensions and everything else. I know, you really want to see what's in the box. So do I. So let's open it up. In here, we have a really nice presentation. It's all in black. We got some black foam insert that the watch is hovering in. Already has the bands attached and even a protection on the clasp. That's pretty nifty. It's always fun to unwrap things, so this is a good one for a present. Real flexible, removable TPU bands with holes galore. Look at that. There are so many all the way, both sides. You could put this on any arm up to that big or down to like incredibly small. That's nice. Okay, we've got a nice solid construction, definitely waterproof. It looks like a couple of buttons here and there. Charging dock there, and I imagine that's what we're going to find in here is the charging thing. Let's see. Little tube. Yep. We've got a wire with a 2 connector, magnetic coupling. Yeah, got it right for once. Okay, not strong enough to hold the watch. It is a little on the heavy side, but not too much. But it does seem to hold itself in place. It's not going to fall off easily. And then we've got a manual down in here that we will skim through. I think it's all in English too. Now, I am going to test you. Yes, I am. I want you to look very, very carefully at this manual. This is a manual you are going to want to keep because there is something in here, something really, really important in here that you need to know. And if you don't know it, let me tell you from experience, you ain't going to figure it out. Nope. Nope. This watch has RTFM technology built into it. Very rare to find. It is so deeply hidden that you have to RTFM in order to figure it out. You guys know the acronym, right? Read the fantastic manual, RTFM. I had to do that, folks. It's been a long time since I literally had to read the manual to figure out a watch, but this is one of those days. And you too will find out the secret at the end of this video. But that's not where we are. We're at the beginning. We are going to charge it up and turn it on and walk it through its paces. Here we are. Can you read the writing? Power is over here. Up is there. Down is there. And that says back. So I got you back with the power button. Up or down. Let's hit the power button and let it turn on. Now, while it's booting up, which doesn't take but a moment, I'll point out that there's a little plastic cover, not a screen protector, but just a little piece of plastic on the screen. You're going to want to grab that sucker and peel it off because you see some bubbles underneath it. There we go. See, it's not really a screen protector, so you're not damaging anything or taking away an important cover. And then there's the actual thing. It's, wow, is that cool or what? Look, this watch has wallpaper. That is one of the wallpapers, and you can make your own. Oh, it's getting really, really fun. Hit it a second time, and I get into the watch face. I can go to a variety of watch faces. This is one of my favorite because it's got a lot of data on it. Here's a fancy one in blue. There's a nice analog one. Here's a kind of combination, analog and digital. And then we're back to that Back to the Future kind of a look. But I'm going to leave it on that one because I think that's just hot. In fact, that's the one I want you to see it on my arm with. Yeah, if it'll come on. I don't think I have it on the twist and light up yet, so that's what it looks like on. Yeah. Okay, now let's get through to the functions. I hit it, and if I touch that again, I go into my step count, calories burned, and distance traveled, your basic pedometer stuff. Then we get beats per minute, that's our heart rate. Come over here and you've got your last night's sleep time. We just took it out of the box pretty much. Messages pushed from your phone when you're tethered, and a sports section, which if I press and hold here, does absolutely nothing. Okay, these are the back and forward buttons. I guess I need to hit power? Nope. Nope. Touch it? Nope. No idea. Well, this is awkward. This is another RTFM moment, except when I just looked at the manual, it's nothing there. However, based on the other event that I'll be showing you at the end, I figured it out. I've been pressing on all these buttons once we're in sport to try and get it to go into it. These just go forward and back. That one takes us back to the home. This one takes us nowhere unless you tap it. You have to lightly tap the power button in order to get it to go into the running mode. It's on running. And then there's walking and cycling. I don't think you can see it. It's kind of washed out in the bright light here. Or climbing, I'm sorry, climbing. There's biking. You can see the icons on the side. Popcorn? No. What the heck is that? Ping pong, of course. Badminton? I don't know. That's badminton. What was the other one? Basketball, badminton. Looks like they're kicking something, probably football. And back out to sport. Tap again, and we're into it. Let's pick one like running. Let's... what else have we got? This one again? tap it, and we start. All right. It's doing the heart rate thing. It is going to track your steps, your heart rate, and time. And those are the three factors that are going to be tracked. Tap it again, and that stops it. And back should take us out. Whew, that's sport. Then we've got a timer built into here. Oh, we're getting the hang of this, right? Tap it to start, tap it to stop. And I guess back would reset it, take you out of it. Cool, okay. Finally, I hope it's finally, timer. Oh, find, if you're tethered to the app in your phone, that would ring it so you'd find your phone. Gosh darn, and it takes us completely out. I'm going backwards here. So after find, you get the power off. And this one, man, I looked all over again. Now this is in the manual, and this is what I wanted to show you. You can press long and hard and deep and forever on all of these buttons, and it will not turn off. But in the manual, it says, if you want to turn this thing off, you bring up that icon, you tap the power button, then you tap there to get it to yes, then you tap it, long hold it, yeah, long hold it to finally turn the silly thing off. Wow, okay, the tethering app. So I've got extensive reviews on this app up there, and in the show notes I got links over to the Google Play Store where you can download the Wear Health app, and also other reviews of watches that use this app where I've gone into detail on the app. But just to give you a quick look at it, you have your opening page, which kind of has everything on it, your sports, your sleep, and your heart rate. And I actually did use this a while ago, and I just wanted to show you a few nights ago. There we go. Whoops. That's what the sleep report looks like. And any of these blocks that you touch in here, you can get a little bar with information about it. Your awake time, when you began sleep, I guess, light sleep and deep sleep, and the starting and stopping time of your sleep, and your total sleep target, and how many times you woke up, which is kind of cool. And it'll, of course, do a weekly synopsis of all of that, and monthly. So if you're working on improving your overall sleep quality, you could use the Vibe 5 for that. Other than that, it's basically the same stuff with your sports information, your heart rate stuff, blood pressure. You can do your overall measurement there. You got the tethering to the app, find your phone kind of thing. All of that, again, I got covered in other reviews as well. So, bottom line, that's it. This is, oh yeah, you can set the, we turned it off, didn't we? You can set the wallpaper in here as well, and you can actually put your own picture in there for the wallpaper if you want to. And I think I have to wait for it to time out, so then we turn it back on, we can show it to you. In the meantime, I'll tell you, yep, there you go. That's the canned wallpaper that it comes with, but you can use your own image as well. All that's in there. I'll tell you that you can get this directly from AliExpress. The Zeblaze official store is carrying it. They do have their own watches available for you. Or you can pick it up from any of these participating sponsors. There's Banggood. We also have it up here from Gear Vita and from TomTop. All these guys have been supporting us over the years with giving us great watches to review, and they also all carry the Vibe 5. So head on over, check it out. Nice little watch, rugged, solid, waterproof, does quite a few things, and it's the latest in the Vibe line. We'll see you again soon.